This is your sign to stop staring at your chaos.
Hey guys, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm getting rid of 50% of my closet and switching every hanger to velvet.
No tools, just Amazon finds that makes it look expensive without actually being expensive. If you're anything like me, you will probably 20% of your closet and emotionally hoard the rest. I'm a 38 years old mom now, and I'm still holding on to tops from 2009 and outfits from a life I no longer live. Like this. It's hard to let go because it was a gift, it was expensive, or just aspirational. But today, we're making space for what I actually wear.
Let's get started. The donation pile, great condition but neglected. Gotta get rid of things you haven't worn the past 12 months. Not great, not terrible, same thing.
These dresses been waiting for the right moment for 5 years and still have tags on them. The moment is Goodwill. I can't be the only one, right?
We'll try on and decide later. Nope. Nope. You're about to make someone very happy or very confused. One person's meh is another person's yes. You've officially been promoted to someone else's problem. We need to break up. It's not me. It's definitely you. This one has a hole. You regret wearing a garment? It would be this. Proof I shouldn't shop online after midnight. Moo.
And now that we've decluttered, it's time to make this closet functional. And by functional, I mean Pinterest worthy.
First order of business. Swap every single hanger for velvet ones. No more sliding straps or sad, tangled spaghetti tops. Everything will instantly look better, and you will save so much more space. For my skirts, I'm using velvet clip hangers so they don't leave clamp marks, and everything actually matches for once. To keep my pants wrinkle-free, I'll be using these hangers. I'll keep it horizontal when I want to see everything, vertical when I want the space to feel lighter. My handbags were just flopped over like deflated balloons, so I used these clear acrylic purse stands. They're find. Don't forget to check out my kitchen organization video. See you next time.